Hey everyone, I wanted to give you a heads up. I'm going to do something that I've never done since starting this channel. I'm going to take a little break. Not a long one, just a couple of weeks. It's kind of hard to believe that I've been in near constant production of videos for 6 years, and I've produced over 500 videos in that time. Wow. When I say that, I kind of sound crazy for not taking a break sooner. The bottom line is that I'm about to go through a huge transition with the channel when it comes to the new layout, and I need some time away from producing videos to prepare for that and just do all the logistics of it. Now, I'm not going to leave you completely out in the cold for videos. Now, since I've done over 500 videos, a lot of my information is kind of scattered all over the place over the years. So I'm going to start compiling these mega compilation videos on certain topics so that all of the information can be in one place. And the first one I'm going to do is all of my tutorials on how I make trees. And that's going to come out next Monday. So, when will I be back? Well, I intend to return to new videos on Thursday, August 15th. Like I said, not a long break. Just enough time to catch my breath and get some other things done. Anyone who has done YouTube knows that stepping away, even for a little bit, can be hard, but I promise that I will be back and better than ever. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in a couple weeks. Until next time, I'm Jimmy from the DIY and Digital. Stay safe, be kind, and happy railroading.